Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be planning for the month of February, and I'm just using these really gorgeous kits. The first one is for the nudes. This is supposed to be for the Erin Conrad, but I'm trying to make it work and cropping the stickers as I go. As you can see, I really love this gorgeous girl just sitting with a bow in her hair. I think it's just really pretty. So I'm just using these little boxes and I'm trying to cover up the part of the nose that I'm not really loving right now. I did end up changing this a little bit, and you'll see what I mean in the end, because it just looked super busy and everything looked on top of each other, and I didn't love that. But you'll see in the end, it looked a little bit better, I think. So right now I'm just placing these checklist with the squares, and I will also be using the labels that this kit came with to just put some dates that I do not want to forget and things that I'm grateful for, and also to track the kits that I want to use for February. I already have a ton of weekly kits that I've got on Etsy, so I want to mark the ones that I want to use for the month.
Kissing in the rain, walking on the beach. I can see it now, almost happening. Sneaking out at night, living like we're free. You and I could do anything we please. You've got the face to fit the frame. I cannot look away. Like, can't you see I'm hypnotized? We're picture perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be your baby. Picture perfect, barefoot beauty. You stole my heart just like in a movie. Got the key to me. Tell me I'm your darling daisy. Picture perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be your baby.
Now for the fun part, I think I'm using this monthly kit from Love to Plan 92, I believe. I will link it down below. But this is just absolutely gorgeous, and I love that it is so bright. It's just really red and bright, with really bright pink as well. And I saw other kits, but they were just either they looked too busy, it was a lot to the eye, or they were just really pastel. So I thought this was actually really nice. So I'm just starting with the washi that goes on top of the dates, and then underneath, to cover up the dates that I won't be using for February, it comes with these really cute boxes. And then I am just using these full boxes that come with the set to mark the special dates, so Valentine's Day. And also I am using this sidebar that already comes with the check marks, so you can just put the labels on top of that and just write whatever it is that you think is really important for that month.
Spinning me around, falling on the ground. Got to say your voice is my favorite sound. Counting every star, dreaming every dream. You and I can live out the perfect scene. You've got the face to fit the frame. I cannot look away. Like, can't you see I'm hypnotized? Perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be your baby. Picture perfect, barefoot beauty. You stole my heart just like in a movie. Got the key, and tell me I'm your darling perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be your baby. I saw your face in my dream. You and I had everything, a fairy tale, a fantasy. We could be.
And then I am just using these little strips to mark the days that I have to go to school, to class, and I'm gonna be putting a little icon on top. I like to do this a little bit faster by just doing a column top to bottom in different colors and then just copying and pasting, so it's already spaced the right way that I want it, and it's just faster to do it this way than go one by one, day by day.
I saw your face in my dream, a fairy tale, a fantasy. We could be anything. We're picture perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, I'll be your baby. Picture perfect, barefoot beauty. You stole my heart just like in a movie. Got the key into me. Tell me I'm your darling Daisy. Picture perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be your baby.
Now I'm just gonna get started with the numbers. So I'm just gonna, there you go. You don't have to watch that. So I did that, I put the numbers in the right place, and now I'm getting some stickers to mark important things for school.
Everything you do, it sends me higher than the moon. With every twinkle in your eye, you strike a match that lights my heart on fire. When you're near, I hide my blushing face and trip on my shoelaces. Grace just isn't my forte, but it brings me to my knees when you say hello. How are you, my darling? Today I fall into a pile on the floor. Puppy love is hard to ignore. When every little thing you do, I do adore.
Now I'm just marking other stuff like a concert that I have to go on the 23rd, so I'm marking that with some stickers, and I'm just decorating with the deco that this kit came from with. So whenever I feel like I don't have a lot of stuff that I have to do that day, I will just put some deco to make it look a little bit even and not just have a bunch of stuff in one column and then the rest of it being blank. So I'm doing that and also making it a little bit more cohesive. So for example, for my work stuff, I put a computer and all of that stuff.
We're as different as can be. I've noticed you're remarkably relaxed and I'm overly uptight. We balance out each other nicely. You wear sandals in the snow in mid-July. I still feel cold. We're opposites in every way, but I can't resist it when you say hello. How are you, my darling? Today I fall into a pile on the floor. Puppy love is hard to ignore. When every little thing you do, I do adore.
And now I'm just going back to finish it up and just writing everything that I have to do and getting all of my checklists complete with everything that I want so that I won't forget anything that I have.
Finding words I mutter, tongue-tied, twisted, foot in mouth, I start to stutter. Heaven help me, hello, how are you, my darling? Today I fall into a pile on the floor. Puppy love is hard to ignore. When every little thing you do, I do adore. Every little thing
And I created this little Hello February sign on the app called Over, which is free and you can download a ton of different fonts. And I just placed this on top, but as you can see, it was a little bit weird, so I cropped every word. Like first I cropped February and I placed it the way that I wanted, and then I cropped the word hello so that it would just look a little bit nicer. And finally, I'm just writing the important dates on my notes as well as my kids for the month, and just a little quote in the notes section down below. But as you can see here, I did ended up doing some changes, so this is the final look. This is the month with some extra stuff that I was not counting on when I was planning for the month, but I made it work, and this is how it looks like right now. I did leave a little space for my favorites, as you can see, and that would be it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions or anything that I could help you with. Thank you so much. Bye.